What is distinctive about a College of Art? It's anybody in the building will be creative. With anybody that you cross in the corridors is potential collaboration. We got a very good connection with the animation course. We've done several European projects such as Anime and Illuminate, which are happening in the cities and they are funded by the European Union.
I am a user interface and user experience designer at PlayStation. My journey on the degree and on the subject was one of self-discovery. I went into the course not really knowing what I wanted to be. At the end, being on the course allowed me to experience lots of different subjects within the game development world, and by the end I really focused on something I could really hone and be passionate about.
I've worked in the model shop at ILM as a digital model artist, making the physical props and the digital characters and monsters and stuff like that. I was part of the design team for the Carnosaurus, the one with the horns that gets mullered by the T-Rex. I did the Baryonyx, the one that's sort of sliding out of the tunnel that gets hit by the lava, receiving the Oscar for Gravity. Really, it's only after the project's finished that you realise that, millions of people are going to see this. And that really sunk in.
From day one of being here, it's always been quite a free roaming place to be. I could explore different techniques, explore ideas, and the lecturers here really were passionate about pushing my specialism. And yeah, just having that free range on the whole game development cycle was perfect for me. The environment which they've built on this course really replicates the one that I experience every day now, and it just prepared me so well for that.